And the Lord said, let there be fire, and there was fire.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Even if you get a little shape when you zoom in, I just a little. You understand?
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep in.
So the man you know where anything you want, him selling. So when you come out here, check them, tell them what you deal with.
Cash.
Never gonna look back.
Stay tuned, because I don't know about black. Yo, John Wayne.
Are you? Me know it's are you. No, if Wayne family this, me know your picture. Wayne family come from right here in a Mountain View. Big up Mountain View. Follow Wayne family TV.
Yo, watch you now. This is Wayne Family TV. Your TV, my TV, our TV. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. One love.
Subscribe and share. So this a challenge and this a page here, cause this a year and next year and every year.
Wayne Family TV, your TV, my TV, our TV.
Share, subscribe, and everything. Yeah. Thank God.